Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a professional looking website with free hosting and a free domain in 2025. Whether you are just getting started or looking to build a personal website or portfolio, I have got you covered. Let's dive in. Before we begin, let's quickly talk about what free hosting and a free domain actually mean. Free hosting means you get server space for your website without paying any monthly fees, and a free domain means you don't have to spend money on a custom URL, but this usually come with some limitations like subdomains or ads on your site. There are several platforms in 2025 that allow you to get free hosting and domains. Today we'll Today we will use Wix as an example because it's easy, reliable, and user-friendly for beginners. First of all, head over to Wix.com. Wix is a website builder that offers free hosting and free subdomain for your website. Uh, Complete the sign up process, and you will need to create an account with your email, or you can sign up with Google or Facebook for quicker access. Once you are logged in, Wix will ask you to choose a template for your website. Wix offers a wide range of free templates from personal blogs to business websites. You can browse through categories like portfolio, blog, business, and more. Let's pick a personal blog template for this tutorial example. Click create site, then studio template. Now search for personal blog and choose one from here, like then click edit. Now you are in the Wix editor where you can customize every aspect for your website. You will see your template, and now you can edit text, change images, and add sections to make it your own. For instance, click on the text block to edit the heading or body. And click on image to replace them to your own. Just click add image or video from the right side of your dashboard. Then upload your big photo or use from here one like that. You can see the background is removed. Now let's talk about the free domain. On Wix, your domain will look like your domain, your name.wix.com. It's subdomain, but it's free. To set up your free domain, click on Publish at the top right. Wix will prompt you to choose a domain name for your site. Enter your desired name. And Wix will automatically assign the .wix.com extension. Then You can connect your own customized domain from here like that. I will use that for this tutorial. Then click save and continue. Next, let's make sure your website has the key features people need. In the Wix editor, click on add button on the left side. You can add features like contact form, image, title, paragraph, button, shapes, blog section, etc. Video. For a basic personal site, I recommend adding a contact form so visitors can reach you. You can also add a blog if you plan to post updates or connect regularly. Just search for contact form like that and choose the template from here. I'll choose that template and drag and drop any other place like that. Now let's make sure website looks good on mobile device. Wix automatically adjusts most of the design for mobile, but you can also check it manually. Click on the mobile icon from here like that icon in the top menu to switch to the mobile view. This lets you see how your website will look on a smartphone or tablet. If need, if needed, adjust the layout, font size, and images to make sure your site is mobile friendly. Once you're happy with your website, it's time to publish it. Simply click on the publish button again at the top right. Wix will show you the URL with your free subdomain. Like that. Then click done. You can view site, click on view site, and that's it. You have successfully created and published your website with free hosting and a free domain. If you decide to take things further and want want a custom domain or remove Wix ads, you can upgrade to a premium plan anytime. Wix offers various pricing plans that include custom domain registration, more storage, and premium features. And that's it. You have built your own website with a free hosting and a free domain with in 2025. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.